Yes, it really is, because it's a sister, brother, cousin, something, something, something company of Xiaomi. And Xiaomi has a lot of family. They've got brother, sister. It's like one of those extended families that we have here in India. Chacha, Bhatija, everything, all included. So Roidme, they've come up with a handheld vacuum cleaner. Take a look.
We recently showed you a Xiaomi robot that could switch things up and only did an average job, while Xiaomi's sister company Roidme is here with a pretty inexpensive vacuum cleaner. This is the Roidme F8 Storm FX. It's priced at 27,000 rupees, but online you will get this for 23,000 rupees. At a dream price like that, does the Roidme vacuum cleaner prove its mettle in cleaning? And does it make cleaning any fun? Let's find out. The Roidme F8 Storm FX is not a robot vacuum cleaner, so you will have to put in the manual effort. It doesn't connect to an app either, but it is cordless, which means you can charge it and use it for around 55 minutes on regular mode and only 10 minutes on max mode. It comes with many different attachments. There's this large closed cavity brush, a smaller one in size, and one with bristles on it. There is a large rod that snaps on when you want to reach objects that are further away. We'll get to the design in a bit. Let's first fire up this bazooka and see if it can clean up a storm. The large brush attachment is meant to clean floors and carpets. We tried it on and it did a fantastic job cleaning up this old carpet. We tried to reach corners with this, but it didn't do as well. The grip is good and the dirt does not spread at all. The smaller attachment is meant for mattresses or sofas. It was easy to clean with and it did a powerful job again. And there is this little brush that can clean surfaces, objects, and even TVs like this. It can directly be fitted into the main vacuum body for easy reach. The little brush attachment can also be taken apart a bit further to reach crevices. The design of the Roidme F8 Storm FX is a lot like its pricey competition, the Dyson V10. There is this dust cup where you can see the dust whirring up, and there is this HEPA filter in the dust cup too. It has an eye-catching design and is pretty practical when in use. But when not in use, we would recommend fixing on a stand that Roidme packs into the box. In terms of specs, it uses a suction power of 100 air watts. The suction pressure is an impressive 22,000 pascals. It has a multi-stage Dragon Cyclone air duct structure and the air volume can reach 1,000 liters per minute. In terms of battery, it comes with a 2200 mAh battery which takes about 2.5 hours to charge up. What does the suction power translate to in the real world? Well, we sprinkled a lot of dirt around home tiles to test this out. And in one single swipe, it picked up every tiny bit of dirt, leaving no trail behind. There wasn't any need to bring the vacuum cleaner to the clean spot again. But there is no wet mop function here, so it is useful only for dry dirt. The dirt is separated at multiple levels inside the dust cup itself. It's easy to detach and clean out the dust cup. Wow, we got a lot of grime in our 2 hours of cleaning. Yes, it does make some amount of noise while doing its job, but the Roidme F8 Storm FX is a pretty practical cleaning tool. It can suck up any amount of dry dirt and can cover ground quite well by cleaning up floor, carpet, sofa, bed and surfaces. In terms of specs, the Roidme F8 Storm FX does almost better than its rival, the older Dyson V8, which is some feat considering its 23,000 rupees price tag is pretty affordable in comparison. We wish there was an app that came with it though, but if robots will not cut it for you, the Roidme F8 Storm FX is a great buy.
Let's take a quick break right now on the show and we come back lots more.